To discuss about intersection of the solids. In intersection of the solids, after the intersection, how drawing will be there, that we mainly understand. Actually, it is somewhat complex topics and advanced topic in drawing. That's why we are studying in advanced course. You just see here, you can understand what is happening. Some illustrations are given. Before that, we will see the interpenetration of the solids. When one solid penetrates another solid, then their surfaces intersect, and at the junction, the intersection, a typical curve is formed which remains common to both the solids. So there is common curve for both solids. Every time, whenever there is interpenetration of one solid into other solid, there is common portion which is like a curve. This curve is called as curve of intersection, and it is a result of interpenetration of the solids. Purpose of these drawings: when two objects are to be joined together, maximum surface contact between both becomes a basic requirement for strongest and weak proof of joints. With this, what we understand? Generally, we when you are using a particular system, for that system while manufacturing, definitely it is a linkage. It is a combination of many small components. Every time these components are joined by different methods, especially when you use welding, then we must understand the contact area between these two. Thereby, the bonding can be checked very easily. In that purpose, we use mostly this interpenetration of the solids. If your contact surface is very high, then the bonding will be more. You can see different examples here. If there is two square pipes, you see how bonding is there, and one square pipe with a circular pipe. The bonding is, it is a point contact. That's why bonding won't be much. But with maximum surface area, in the second diagram, second part, we can see with maximum surface area, if you join the pipes, then definitely the bonding will be strong, and it will run for more days. If you see a machine which is having two cylindrical things which are joined like this, so if more surface area is covered, then bonding will be more. And this side also you can observe the same thing, how different points are, if different solids are penetrated to get a single component with the strong earthing. And we see different cases, how if two solids are penetrated each other. First we will see for cylinder. Inside a cylinder, in top view will be looking like this, and front view will be looking like this. From the inner side of the cylinder, it will come like this. Join these to get intersection. And similarly, we can do for, if you see it, cylindrical penetration, and cylinder, inside the cylinder there is a prism, rectangular prism. You can see its top view, front view. After drawing the projections, will get this. Some standard notations, it is gone into the cylinder. Yes. Intersection curve is also very important, that we understood in the slide itself. present